Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G23. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to nearby share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Then you can browse your internal storage divided to categories: recents, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, collections, and internal storage itself. Also, you've got access to Clean, thanks to which you can clean junk files on your smartphone. In the end, you can go to Menu, where you can check your saved space, trash, settings, and help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.